I am Prikha Joshi. I am studying class 10th of Manas Convent Higher Secondary School. Focal theme Science, Technology and Innovation for Sustainable Development. Sub-theme Ecosystem and Ecosystem Services. Title Impact of Corona on Private Schools of My Locality. Introduction. Facing the challenges of COVID-19, private schools are finding new ways to assist support to education. Recognizing that education is a pathway out of poverty, Manas and other organizations have made significant progress in increasing access to learning in communities around the locality. Parents who were already on the edge of sending their kids to school are just going to throw up their hands and not to do it. Now the COVID-19 pandemic is threatening to erase many of those gains. More than 91% students worldwide have been impacted by temporary school closure according to the United Nations. By April close, 1.6 billion young students were out of school, but our school started to take online classes through meeting apps 5th April 2020. This initiative helps to students for study. Some experts fear the school closures are lost some family income, keep children out of school indefinitely. We have worked so many years for kids in school to stay for them in school, says the Sushil Kumar Jain, the principal of school Rajgarh, who helps the student to support education. This going to put the efforts back here. Parents who were already on the edge of sending their kids to school are throwing up their hands and not to do it. They are literally starving and need the money their kids can bring in working. Impact over teaching learning. 91% students worldwide impacted by temporary school closures. Mrs. Seema Jain, Focus Manager for Basic Education and Literacy, believes that the pandemic impact on education will be continued long after the development of COVID-19 vaccine. Education is not an easy task. Impact over private schools, but the biggest changes have been communication with the families and its effects on education. We lost our important assist was face-to-face and hand-to-hand learning. Seema says it is easy. The most challenging things we have due to renovating our curriculum into a new form using the tools of families had access to. Remote learning and technology. Education views. If you see technology as this is cool things you just bolt on to an existing curriculum, you are in big trouble, says Seema Jain. Dr. Yatna Jain agrees. We need to figure it out one step at a time, says Sushil Kumar Jain. You have to know what people are able to accept and use, consequently, socially and emotionally, determine that they may move forward. And how can we overcome this problem? Update yourselves and to remain active COVID-19 environment. You can learn more things from YouTube and other applications. What observe and learn. It is easy to learn from our young generation. Up to primary level, lot of online material is available. Learn to prepare their own TLM and use it in your video lecture. Lecture should be content wise and regular pattern from low level to higher level. Introduction to the last lesson. During unlock, we assume that government will allow to reopen institution mid-July with new normal. Very first task to make ready premises or campus for maintaining health and hygiene by social distancing. New institution must be more equipped with safety measures. More hand wash unit as per number of students. Mask and face shields will be most important device for everyone. Regular sanitizing of vehicle will be compulsory. Social distance must be maintaining in vehicles too. Regular training is needed how to keep safe. Post COVID-19 scenario in education during lockdown and during unlock. During lockdown, online classes applied but not so fruitful. Reason behind it: lack of techno-friendly availability of resources, lack of devices, absence of techno attitude, unfamiliar deviation of brain during online classes. It is passive learning role of teacher. During unlock, online class, traditional class teaching learning must be applicable. Reason behind it: dilemma about reopening of educational institute. What will be the new normal? Be stayed their home. Failing of admission. Classroom teaching for middle to higher level. Online classes will be for up to primary level. Up to 10 year children will be stay at their homes. New rules and regulations will be introduced which everybody has to follow. What will be the new normal for education institute? The role of management and staff. Continuous management of student and staff to maintenance and record for everyone. Health, hygiene plus learning new habit. Regular guidance about health and hygiene will be very essential. So 15 to 20 minutes will be provided for daily for this. Working days will be less. So what we have to maintain pace of syllabus, teaching, learning process, classroom plus online, offline plus other gadgets. Keep ourselves healthy. The first requirement. What kind of video lesson? Shoot video clip subject wise and lesson wise in regular pattern. It is easy to download. You can take help from TLM and other apps. For reference, ACES Manas Convent Higher Secondary is channel on YouTube. Send us clips, be regular, be active and update yourself. Stay home and stay safe. As per the curriculum, call you. Online classes. We started online classes on Zoom app in April 5th to 30 April. We have been made sending or forwarding teaching staff regularly for each class and each subject. Now we are going to start next session. It is a traditional session of school, so all of you are ready yourself. Online class के लिए सज्ज हो जाओ. During survey of 15 schools, total loss comparative study of my project loss analysis. Loss during normal year 33 crore 14 lakh 80,000. Loss during 19 to 21 17 crore 94 lakh 37,500. Loss in related sector 47 crore 40 lakh 92,500. Total loss 68 crore 50 lakh 10,000, and this is the loss of private schools 68 crore 50 lakh and 10,000. So how can we private schools overcome with this crisis?